Hey, this is Dumbass 101. This is Levi. Hey, my homeboy here wants to say he swim. He does not know how cold this water is, but I do. I told him it's pretty warm water, but it's cruise time around here. So he's gonna jump in. He don't know. Watch what happens.
Go feel the water.
What's up, hey, dog, it's pretty warm. Warm? Warm. Warm. Very warm. It's warm. Warm.
Warm.
Alright, man, I'm about to go swimming, man.
On boys, go.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit!
How do you feel?
I'm cold.
Feel like an icicle?
Oh, fuck. I'm gonna go swimming again.
Go.
No. Oh, fuck. Hey, it's Dumbass 101.
Hey, man.
Next time.
My name's Colby, a.k.a. LC. I just want to swim in like 45-degree water. It's really cold. Kids, don't do this at home. Go for it again. Hell no. Come on, one more time. Everybody wants to see it. One more time. Take a vote. Who wants to see it one more time? I'm raising my hand.
Two hands count as four. No, I ain't
Go.
going again.
Come on.
Fuck your eye, man.
Go. Come on.
I'll grab your eye. Alright, don't shit 101 about your swimming again.
Cannonball.
Cannonball?
Cannonball.
Cannonball. Oh, shit! Hey, stay! Oh! I'll put you back in. Oh, fuck.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.